Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the pet video feature on DreamFace AI to create adorable videos of your pets. First, open the DreamFace AI app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. From the home screen, scroll through the available features until you find Pet Video. Tap on it to get started. After doing so, you can choose from different motion styles or animations to bring your pet to life. Pick the one that you like best. Now you'll be prompted to upload a clear photo of your pet. Make sure the image is well lit and your pet's face is visible for the best results. Select the photo from your gallery and upload it. Once you've selected a motion style, click the Generate button. Since this feature is free, the video will start generating immediately without any payment required. After the video is generated, you can preview it. If you're satisfied with the result, just click download to save it to your device or share it directly on social media.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the uh uh-huh.
And that's it. Now you've just created an adorable pet video using DreamFace AI.